A prisão que nós temos atualmente em condição muito malo, deplorável, e se tabuta com a pressão riba traidora, mas também riba a comunidade para sobre que não por detener toda a pessoa que não fora detener país Aruba mais grande, aumentar a pressão riba nas comunidades. Isso significa que se traz modelo para ir a uma prisão nova, o que nós pedimos no momento aqui a organização da United Nations que está sostener projeto para dar-nos ponto de saída para a construção de prisão nova aqui.
Based on the request from the government, UNOPS carried out an independent technical assistance to the government of Aruba within the justice sector to develop a comprehensive understanding of the current state of the correctional services at Kia and to explore options for modernization of the system. Yes, so the project included, let's say, the handing over of deliverables to the government of Aruba. The 4 key deliverables were the gap analysis, which gives the current gap analysis of the current correctional services available at Kia, the prison profile, spatial definition, and the development of a technical and financially solvable business case for strengthening the correctional services at Kia. Gap analysis and the prison profile. There's a lot of in-depth knowledge when it comes to this, but I'll let my colleague maybe add to that. An idea with regards to a campus-style layout was discussed because that's the optimal international standard when it comes to rehabilitation and running and management of a prison facility. It's seen as prisons within prisons, so you can easily move and adjust as needed. This approach supports effective rehabilitation as well, and also optimal operation from the staff from Kia as well. I might let my colleague add maybe some information here from a technical side.
Well, this is what we call the targeted approach, which is one of the main characteristics of Aruba. It's a small country. There will be just one prison that will need to host all the different ranges of inmates. So if we can provide different environments and different regimes and programs for all different ranges of inmates, we will be closer to guarantee effective rehabilitation, which is the final goal of the prison and the project.